going on, everybody? It's D. Wiley. So the other day I went up to Summit Racing and got it said the Edge Pulsar control module. Supposed to add some extra horsepower, increase the throttle response. I've seen some really good reviews about it. The only thing that I didn't like was you cannot control the speed limiter with it. But I called Diablo Sport and they said that, you know, if it's something that they do, if it's something they figure out later, you can either order the plug and you can hook it up to your laptop or computer and update it like you did the held hand tuner, or you can send it to them and they'll also update it for you. So I went ahead and ordered one. I wanted to do a before video real quick before I put it in and kind of see the difference in the acceleration. This truck, to me, I mean, for it to be as big as it is with this V8 engine, I think it does pretty fine, and it doesn't take it long to reach 105, which is where it tops out at, which I don't know why, but whatever. I also put have a cold air intake and the air throttle body spacer, which you can kind of hear it when you accelerate. At first I thought it was going to be a problem because at highway speeds you can still hear it, but with the radio up, I mean, you can't hear it, so it's not that big of a deal. Good acceleration for a pickup, honestly, which I know is something faster. I work with a few guys that's got some couple Ford Raptors, and you know, the EcoBoost, I think it's the 3.5 liter V6. I know will outrun just the naturally V8 Ram, obviously, because it's got some air induction on it. But I figured if I could spend $500 and get a little bit more performance out of this engine, I don't think that's a bad investment. So I'm kind of wanting to see what this truck will do. It said with the performance application, it can boost it up to 30 horsepower and 37 foot-pounds of torque. So that's a pretty good jump, and you know, that's pretty cheap too for $500. Oh, I guess I'll just have to wait and see. I'm about to get on the freeway here, and I'll do a pull from 60 to 100 and just see how long it takes to get there. Well, I probably won't do 100. I'll probably, let's say 90. We'll do 65 to 90 and see what it do. See, that wasn't too bad. So we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. Just kind of wanted to get a couple pulls with this thing and get a good feel for what it felt like before I put this tuner on, which I know once I open it, I'm not gonna be able to return it, so it really doesn't matter if I like it or not. But at least it'll help somebody else if they're thinking about buying one, if they should go ahead and do it or not. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here, and I'll see y'all later.